Hello friends, how you guys doing? All right, so welcome once again to our channel. In this video today, guys, we're going to do something totally different. We are going to do top-down analysis on pound dollars. Okay, we're going to show you how to do a top-down analysis. Now, the benefit of doing a top-down analysis, so you can trade with confidence and you'll just not be freaking out on trade, so you can make best money out of the market, guys. All right, so without further ado, let's dive into the chart. Now, this is a monthly chart of pound dollar. Now, if you take a look, now your chart might not actually look this way. It just depends on the broker you are using. I know I'm using the IDC. They have the longest chart on the trading view. Now, but if in case you want to have a pictorial view of what has, you can go to FS Top. You can see here that market has actually been dropping. All right, this is pound dollar. I've been dropping all this while, and from there is making a three-wave move. So what we can see critically from here now, that this market has been dropping, guys. Market has been dropping, and now this is 1, 2, 3 wave, and now the market is also dropping. So if there's something you should take home from what is going on here, is that every market makes at least 3 wave. Markets always move in waves, and for that wave to be completed, it must at least be 3. So for us to say that this is completed, since this move now did not actually break here, we're expecting this move to actually break this low. So we're expecting this market to continue downwards. Now, if you come to the trading view critically, you can see the same thing applying here. Now, the market is also making this 1, 2, 3. So we're expecting this 3 to break this point. Now, this is monthly chart on Forex pair. Okay, you might be saying, what am I doing with monthly charts? Now, but just pay attention. That gives you makes you to have a sense of direction where the market is going. So having established that, now let's scale it down to weekly chart, guys. So here now we can begin to see what we might be getting out of the market. Now, you know, in case you're not aware, what we trade from the market is the pattern that the market is making. Now, I've labeled those patterns, which let me open it so you can begin to see. These are the patterns that the market is actually forming. So we are focusing on this move, guys. We're focusing on this move because we know that this move, we're expecting it to break this low. We're expecting this move to break this low, so that's why we are focusing on this move. So now we've seen this 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're expecting the 5th one to drop. So you can see where the market is at this point. The market is here, and you can see what is remaining. Like this might be up to like 1,500 pips. All right. So now, having established that in mind, now let's go down to daily. So as you can see from the daily move, that the markets have just given us the first impulse of that trend downwards. Okay, these are the first impulse, because you can see this might be a W, X. This S, I think it might not be completed yet. Okay, so because we're expecting a bounce here before completion. So we have seen this W, X, and it's just internal. So for us to see what is going on this internal move, we might decide to come down to 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, guys, we can see everything clearly. We begin to see that this move here has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we are focusing per move because it might not really get everything together. So what we know now is this: on the 4 hours, we're expecting the markets to bounce. Why are we expecting the markets to bounce? Because we've established here that if you take a look on what is going on here, you can see clearly that this is a move. So this is a sharp move. Okay, it's a sharp move, and this sharp move now, we've not seen anyone that we can equate that to. So you must see that this is 1, 2, 3. All right, so we're expecting another sharp move here that we might actually relate this to before continuation downwards. So these are what we're expecting on the 4 hours. So with that in mind, what are you going to take? We're going to take a trade that will be going up. Okay, that's why this morning we actually took a trade that we're expecting at least the market to continue moving at least to this red line, okay, at least to this red line. You might not get everything here because I'm rushing, just for you to understand that we trade top-down analysis, and for you to make the best out of the market, you need to have a sense of direction on what the market is actually doing, guys. I believe you got something out of this small view. Now, if you want us to do more top-down analysis like this on other pairs, please kindly like this video, subscribe, and share this so that we'll be happy to do more of this